Vibrant Gujarat Summit, 10th edition is going to be organized in Gujarat, Gandhinagar from 10 to 12 January. It has been a global platform in which all the members of Gujarati community who are residing outside India have participated in big number. Today's this event in addition was a great success. Large number of people have participated, and I'm sure in the coming event they are going to participate in big number and come and promote this event and invest heavily in Gujarat.
આજનો આ પ્રસંગ ગુજરાતી બોલવાનું છે ને આજનો આ પ્રસંગ એટલો બધો સારો હતો કે અમારું અમેરિકાની શરૂઆત વાઇબ્રન્ટ ગુજરાતના ડેલિગેશનની એવી થઈ કે ઘર મોસાળમાં ગયા હોય ને માં જ પીરસનાર હોય ને એટલો સારો આ પ્રસંગ હતો. બધી જ રીતે અમને સારું રિસેપ્શન મળ્યું અને વાઇબ્રન્ટ ગુજરાતમાં ગુજરાતની જે ઇન્ફ્રાસ્ટ્રક્ચર છે, ગુજરાતની એબિલિટી છે, ગુજરાત શેમાં પાવરફુલ છે એનું રિપ્રેઝન્ટેશન જે થયું અને કયા કયા સેક્ટર્સમાં ગુજરાત આગળ છે તો એ પણ આપણા ગુજરાતી કોમ્યુનિટીને આપણા પરિવારને કહેવામાં આવ્યું એટલે એનો બહુ જ આનંદ થયો અને અહીં પણ મીડિયા બહુ પાવરફુલ છે, મીડિયાએ નોંધ લીધી. થેન્ક યુ વેરી મચ. અને અરુણભાઈ પરીખનું નામ તમે ઘણા વખતથી સાંભળેલું, આજે એમને મળવાનું થયું એટલે બહુ આનંદ થઈ ગયો. સુધીરભાઈ પરીખ જે મારા મિત્રના કંઈક રિલેશનમાં થાય. થેન્ક યુ.
Thank you, welcome, and thank you for coming here and pitching for Vibrant Gujarat.
I am Dr. Avinash Gupta, President of Bajana. We feel very proud to be here today at the 10th Vibrant Gujarat Global Summit 2022 preview. And this is all about Atmanirbhar Gujarat to Atmanirbhar Bharat. And we are proud of our Indian diaspora here, who are so actively involved in our development of India back home. Thank you.
To all the viewers of ITV Gold, today we had the pleasure of hosting the visiting delegation of Vibrant Gujarat. This is an iconic summit, a global summit that we do biennially, and this was started under the visionary leadership of Shri Narendra Modi, the Honorable Prime Minister of India, who was then the Chief Minister of the state of Gujarat. We have a power-packed delegation who has come to the United States. They will be visiting the cities of New York, Washington DC and San Francisco, where they'll present the investment opportunities and also invite the dignitaries, business personalities, leaders from all across America to the Vibrant Gujarat Summit that will be hosted next year from 10th to 12th of January. Thank you. And we invite all of you to visit Gujarat for the summit.
Hi, this is Jay Pandya from US. I'm privileged and honored to be a part of this event to see and witness the 10th Vibrant Summit Gujarat, and looking forward to seeing everybody down in Gujarat soon.
We have a great gathering today for 10th Vibrant Gujarat function here. The people came from all over. All our association really help us. So I wanted to thank all the community leaders, all the association to help this function very successful. We have a principal secretary here, JP Gupta, and all the businessmen here. I would request all of you guys, wherever you're doing business here, and if you like to do business in India, please contact Vibrant Gujarat. Thank you.
Namaste. We are here to celebrate Vibrant Gujarat. We are here to promote Vibrant Gujarat in the diaspora. We have had a very successful event here, and I'm sure the 10th Vibrant Gujarat is going to be a super success. I wish all of you can come forward and support it.
Namaskar. Indeed a pleasure and an honor to be participating in the supporting this Vibrant Gujarat meet and 10th Vibrant Gujarat meet and greet. For the third time FIA has done it. We are proud and honored to be partnering with the delegation and hosting the delegation here along with Consul General of India, New York, for which we are very gracious. I congratulate all the, I wish all the viewers of ITV Gold warm season greetings and stay safe, and thank you for covering this event. God bless.
So 10th, 11th and 12th of January. 10th January is inaugural event where Honorable Prime Minister is going to inaugurate this. Not only there is going to Vibrant Summit, there's going to be a huge exhibition I'll just tell the focus areas. This year's Vibrant Gujarat focuses on what all? First and the foremost focus is Gati Shakti. You might have heard the name Gati Shakti program of Prime Minister. This is about infrastructure in India. We want to put pace to everything we do. Whether we want to travel or whether we want to talk, that's broadband, or we want to store goods properly, logistic, every area of infrastructure, we want to do better, and there are tremendous opportunities in infrastructure. So that is focus of the first day. Green economy is a focus worldwide. And recently we saw what happened in Glasgow. So all aspects of green economy are going to be in focus. Second day, roundtable with global finance leaders is going to be directly chaired by the Prime Minister. He puts great emphasis that with the use of global capital, competitiveness of India can be improved. Technology innovations is the third important area where we are putting focus. Improve through innovations. These three are going to be big thematic areas, plus large scale delegates who are coming would meet each other, explore new opportunities, and find opportunities to investment and trade. Friends, we invite all of you, and through you, to your friends, colleagues, and all your business acquaintances to Gujarat, to Vibrant Gujarat. Vibrant Gujarat Summit 2022. We welcome with open arms, with folded hands, and with the spirit of friendship and business. Before conclude my presentation, would like to thank all of you for sparing your time on a Sunday afternoon to hear us, to interact with us. Before I conclude, I would like to introduce my business and the other delegate members who have accompanied me. They can just quickly come one by one and quickly introduce themselves and their companies, so that some of you who could not meet them, they could just have their glimpse. Please, one by one.
Honorable our Consul General Randir ji, our Principal Secretary Dr. J.P. Gupta, and all the delegates and the members, distinguished member of 10th Vibrant Gujarat delegation, the notable member of Indian American business community, respected guest, and all the association members. As the President of Federal Indian Association, I warmly welcome you all in this cold wintry afternoon to the community meet and greet to the distinguished Vibrant Gujarat delegates who are among us. The reception is the third of its kind, held by FIA in the last 10 years, and is made possible by community leaders here who have been chosen to participate despite this being a holiday long weekend. A big thank you and round of applause for all the supporting organization and the community leaders presented here to support us. Under the able leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Sri Modi ji and Honorable Chief Minister Sri Bhupendra Bhai Patel, we are certain that 2022 rendering of the biennial Vibrant Gujarat Business Summit will be another grand addition for which FI wishes them magnificent success.
There's a big member community here from Yogi Ji Divine Society. So thank you to the entire team. And with that, I conclude. Bharat Mata Ki Jai. God bless America. Jai Jai Garveer Gujar.
I would like to urge all my entrepreneur friends from USA and particularly in Tri-State area, please spread the word, tell your other entrepreneur friends and colleagues to look into this vibrant Gujarat and visit the Gujarat. God bless America, God bless India, God bless Indian American community. Thank you.
These are challenging times without COVID and other things, but we remain steadfast. We tell you, these have not been difficult. These have not been easy times, but we have been open ever since May of last year. Not many concerts came after. We have not been closed even one day since May of 2020 on account of COVID. We have to give a lot of credit to all the staff and working. We remain open 7 days a week, Saturday and Sunday. Every Saturday and Sunday included. I think all the people, all the families who come to work there, they all deserve a lot of support. Once again, look forward to the support in making Vibrant Gujarat a great and grand success. Thank you very much.
So many automobile spare parts people are connected. For them also this is a good opportunity. And for IT people, I think Indians are very smart in IT. So this is the time many Indians have come to San Francisco and many other cities. But that technology, if you can tie up with the Indian entrepreneurs, that will be great. So I am so thankful to all organizations, those who have made this event very colorful, and we don't have words to say. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Abar, abar.
Organization who made this event possible. But before that, I would like to call my executive committee team to stand in front, and I would like to call Dr. Avinash Gupta from Bajana, Ramai Gadvi from Gujarat Literary Academy, Bhartiya Vidya Bhavan Dr. Sudhir Vaishnav, from IEA, Dhiren Amin, from INA, Sunil Nayak, from AICC, Preeti Pandya, from Fishana, Deepak Bhai Shah, from Women Entrepreneur, Nimisha Shukla, from MHO, Mr. MZ Patel, from ICS, Rajesh Patel, Vegetarian Nitin Vyas, Mr. Hemant Bhatt, Raj Pandya from LNP, Jignesh Pandya, Nilesh Dasondi, Albert Sani and Sogna Patel. Thank you for the wonderful host here. Our media partner, Kamlesh Mehta from South Asian Times, Paritval Minor Media, Dr. Sudhir Parik, Mr. H.R. Shah from TV Asia. Please big round of applause to this wonderful partners.